Welcome to day 11 of our Esri Leaflet Advent Calendar tutorial series. Today we're diving into a practical aspect, adding and deleting data from a hosted feature layer programmatically. Before getting into the code, let's discuss why having the ability to add and delete features programmatically is important. When working with real-world mapping applications, data is dynamic. It changes over time. Being able to add and remove data programmatically allows us to keep our maps up to date and accurate. For example, imagine you're creating a map for a ride-sharing app. New requests come in and you need to display them on the map in real time. Similarly, when a ride is completed, you want to remove that data point from the map. With programmatically adding or deleting features, you can do this seamlessly. Now, in today's tutorial, we'll start with the basic setup of a feature layer from our day 3 tutorial. We're going to be adding and deleting data, but let's begin with adding. We'll listen for a click event on the map. When a user clicks on the map, we'll create a GeoJSON feature marker at that click's coordinates and add it to our feature layer. This allows us to add data to our map interactively. Next, we'll look at how to delete data. We'll listen for click events on the feature layer itself. When a user clicks on a feature, we'll delete that feature by identifying it through its ID. We'll also want to make sure the map.onClick adding event is not fired. So we'll use the stop propagation DOM event. I'll open this up in the browser and test it out. First, clicking on the map, you can see the new marker is added. Next, clicking on that same marker, I can now delete it. For today's challenge, try creating a delete button next to each highlighted feature. When a user clicks the button, it should prompt them to confirm if they really want to delete the feature. After confirmation, it should delete the associated feature. Share your creations in the comments below. And that wraps up day 11. Tomorrow in day 12, we'll explore how to set the properties of newly added features programmatically, adding another layer of customization to our maps. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!